Hey guys, I just quickly wanted to try out the little Nordic Ware microwave Bundt pan set with Jello. So I will have a link in the description box. It'll be affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. But this is just a follow up to the other video that I first reviewed to make the little cakes. Super adorable. I do think, like I said, I'm used to letting your cake cool and then eating it. I think they're better. I guess it depends on the recipe, the mug recipe you use. If you eat them warm, but that's up to you. So I just have the small Jello pack. I think, what are they, 4 ounces? Hold on, I put it in the trash. 3 ounce, the 4.5 cup serving size. And right now I already put the boiling water in with the cold water. Not in with the cold water. The cold water is here. There's a cup of cold water. And I just kind of wanted to see about how much they hold. It does say in the description these are 1 cup molds. So I have 4 of them, right, in the set, and they come with the bowl. I guess I could have done this in the little mixing bowl it comes with. But I just put them in here. So I already melted everything down, obviously with the boiling water. And now I'm adding that cold water. And I'm not doing the fast set method or anything, but if you want to do the ice cubes, that's up to you. I would oil these. They're still a little bit oily even though I washed them. These are much shinier than the other ones from when I made my little cakes earlier, so I think it'll be okay. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, but if you want to put a little vegetable oil or whatever kind of oil you like to use and just kind of rub them in there, just rub it in there with like a paper towel, it'll probably better. I think there's gonna be some left over though, because it is a little more capacity in here. About 2 ml? It should still be about 2 cups. The Jello powder itself obviously brings that level up a little bit. Now I would bring it to like here, and we'll see. So I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna put it in my fridge for several hours. So again, this was nothing. I was just doing this. I thought, you know what, might as well record it because you guys might be curious. So I do have a little bit left over. If I can disperse it between these two, I'll do that. But if not, I'll just put it in a different. I have plenty of Jello molds or little like cups or a little ramekin or something. I'll put it in. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, got the tripod. Oh, somebody asked me earlier what this was. It's a bread box. It's a Pioneer Woman bread box, and yeah, what's funny? When we had water damage and I had to basically move out of our kitchen, the guys came in and packed everything, and there was still bread in there. And we didn't get into the stuff for what, like 4 or 5 months by the time they finished everything and the remediation and rebuilding my kitchen. And the bread that was in there was still not moldy or anything. I threw it away because I was like, that's gross. But there were hot dog buns in there, and there was bun bimbo in there, just bun bimbo bread. And they were still like fine. I was like, that is really weird. So I don't know if that's talking about preservatives or if this thing just keeps it, I don't know. Anyway, so, I was looking at this. It's been like 3.5 hours or so. And then, I always like to give it a little, it feels really soft. Maybe I should have made it like jiggler type. No, that'd be too hard, don't you think? I don't know. But I pulled away here and it's pulling away. Oh, look at that. Maybe it's too early. I'm not bringing the other one out. He's still in the fridge. See what I'm saying? When I'm pulling it away, it's coming, but I don't want it to damage it either. Wow. Of course, if you're going to give this as a gift, you don't want to be touching it all. Maybe put on some gloves. But, I don't know how you give a Jello gift, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to turn this over and see if it flops out. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, okay, my voice went into like the next one. Look how cute. Oh, I probably go 4 hours. The thing is, when you leave it too long, then it gets really hard, right? I remember about just making Jello in the past, like Jello molds. So, I mean, this is pretty good. Obviously right there, I kind of messed it up, but look at this little cutie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna love this. Look how it's jiggling. I don't know that I've ever had Jello that actually jiggled like this. This is too funny. Okay, so I'd be more careful next time because I was thinking it's not gonna come out at all, so I was like ready to, I would just obviously put this down, put my plate, flip it over, and you know what I'm saying, so it's nice and, that is too cute. Let me grab the other one and see if it's ready. Maybe I don't even have to pull at it. I don't know. I feel like I should, though, just to get it ready. You know what I'm saying? If I turn it over, and what if it's not ready? So what I'm doing is just pulling on the edges so it comes away from the wall. Especially this one with that point. Let's see what happens. Oh. I don't want to hurt it. I guess I could use a knife, too, but I don't want to cut into it either. I don't know, guys. Do whatever you think is right, but I think this is cute. I mean, you're just going to eat it. But, how cute is this? Oh my gosh, I don't know if I've gone to all the edges. This one might give me a little trouble. Let's see, okay. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay, the cakes were really cute. And like I said, I probably eat them warm, but this is the cutest thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm gonna rinse these out. Put a little double whipped cream. Too bad I don't have like the spray bottle kind right now. I would love that to make a cute little swirl on top. I only have the kind that's like, you know, in the jar. But how gorgeous is that? And I'm sure the other ones will come out. How pretty would this one be? With the little jewel look, you know, because it's all like jeweled. Okay, I did want to mention earlier, because I don't want you guys to think like I don't know how to wash things. When I said it still has a little bit of oil from like before. So what happens is when you wash things like this, plastic, melamine, whatever, this is not melamine, but you know, those kind of things, they, how that they absorb grease or oil, it stays on there. And you can wash it the hottest, you can put it in your dishwasher. When you make like royal icing, things like that, don't ever use it in a plastic container that you might have had fat in before, or even if it got in contact with fat, like if things were in your sink or whatever, because just those little microscopic things, they're still there. It's clean, you know. It's just like this, most little things will not let your royal icing set up. So for the same reason, that's what I was mentioning, that it still looks shiny, you know. It's not dirty, it's just, you know, but hey, it helped out, so I don't feel too bad. But hopefully you can kind of see what I mean. Like this one I haven't used yet, and this one has like a shininess on the inside where this one does not. It's a little different. But, you know, again, so maybe that'll be a tip for you when you go to make those awesome cookies with royal icing, or even your gingerbread cookies. You don't want to make your royal icing in anything that had any kind of fat, egg yolk, anything, because it might not set up. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna have some pictures. This is really fun. So thanks for coming back this evening. I'll have, you know, other craft videos starting tomorrow, but again, but this is really cute. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, have a great night. Bye now.